Oh, I did good.
You good?
I did good.
All right, well, let me sit down here and see.
H&K Living Life is all about our adventures as we enjoy our time together, getting back to enjoying life in the outdoors. We hope our videos will inspire others to get out there and create new memories.
This is H&K Living Life. If you'd like to see more of our adventures, just click the subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications of new videos.
Well, hello my friends. Once again we're out on another adventure. We're going to Lake Somerville, and yes, it's Easter weekend, and yes, it's raining, and yes, some of y'all may think we're a little cray-cray. That's alright, we're going to have some fun. Catch y'all when we get there. Alright, well, we have made it. We are staying at Birch Creek Park in Lake Somerville. So I'm waiting on Harold to check us in, and we're just going for a little walk, stretch our legs, and of course you see the raindrops. So yep, it's still raining here, but that's okay. We're gonna have fun.
Deer out.
Isn't it pretty? We have deer.
Hi friends. So here we are at Somerville, Birch Creek Park. Campsite number 80. Like fools out camping in the rain. There's the Venturist all set up. And we're in the Durango this trip around. The truck is in the shop having some work done to it. Nothing's wrong with it, just doing some upgrades. We'll show you some of that later. There's Miss Katrina sitting down there with Mr. Azizi.
Hola.
And yeah, our kitchen setup's a little different this time. It all depends on the platform, the pad for the trailer when we're in the park, and the layout of the terrain. With all this rain, I think we're going to try to forego putting up the walls today, so we can, pull down like on these corners so water can drain out. Our waterproofing's done pretty good. You can see up there the water's beating up pretty decent up there. And this is pretty much our campsite. There's a tent pad over there if anybody want to camp with tents. And we got us a little fire pit right there, and a picnic table right there, and surrounded by woods, so you really don't see your neighbors next to you. And then hopefully it'll dry up a little bit tomorrow, and we can get out and go for a little hike. What kind of trouble is this going to get us into back here? What do we got back here? What do we got? Oh, I guess the kids could set up a small tent back there or something. That's it. So that's it for now. I'm gonna sit down and get me a little snack after setting up camp, and we shall get back with you later. Boy, if you could smell this stuff. You got an audience behind you, dear.
I do. Well, I dropped one so he knows what it tastes like.
Oh. Is that the dinner bell? You the Mr. Sunshine this morning? Is easy, huh? Are you? Yeah. Mr. Sunshine? Little hike this morning down to check out the lake. Might come back out this afternoon when it get a little more sunshine. See if it's easy, can catch him a fish. Say good morning, hon.
Good morning, hon.
All right. This is from the campsites out here down to the lake. Lake Somerville, Somerville, Texas.
Oh, we got some blue bonnets. A little bitty, but we got blue bonnets.
Yeah. Yeah. There they are. Right there. Right there.
Oh, well, we could launch
The kayak. Yeah, we can run a kayak down here, couldn't we?
Yeah.
Good to know. If you want to carry it down here.
Well, if we get that spot.
Oh yeah, that one, we'll have to find out what site that is.
Yeah.
Yeah, get that site. It wouldn't be much of a walk to carry it down here.
Yeah.
Some fishermen out there already.
Oh, I did good.
You good?
I did good.
All right. Well, let me sit down here and see. Breakfast of champions. Did you enjoy your egg, buddy? Yeah? I hope so, because you don't get it that often.
What do you think?
I like that.
Uh-huh.
A little extra love in this one.
Of course, always. You know what I did is I added tater tots to it, to my mixture, and then I chopped it up.
The seasoning is good too. Got good flavor and everything. Who knows, a breakfast bowl with turkey bacon would be so good.
Okay, so we had to stop at Dairy Queen, and Harold got a cone, and I'm waiting on my Blizzard. It's a chocolate extreme chocolate.
And we didn't stop at Dairy Queen. You made us make a run to Dairy Queen from the campsite.
Yes, I did. Okay, my friends, tonight's menu is chicken teriyaki. I have the chicken cooking right here that I had sauteed overnight in teriyaki sauce. And then we're having the mixed Asian vegetables. And I've already steamed my rice, so all I have to do is just add the rice in there when everything else is cooked. So I will let y'all know how this works out. Ciao. Bon appetit. Alrighty, this is the end result.
I'm ready.
Come get you some.
Morning, babe.
Good morning. Happy Easter.
With the bunny. All right, friends, we made it home. Yeah, it was a wet weekend, so we got her spread out here. Letting the awning dry out a little bit more before we put her up, so we don't have mildew for the next trip. We'll see y'all next time. Until then, have a nice day. If you like our content, hit the like button, subscribe, and then click that bell to get notifications of new videos.